The unboxing and full review of the Bajaj Motorcycles Pulsar NS125 showcased several key aspects of the bike. 1. Design. The Pulsar NS125 features a sleek and stylish design with sporty aesthetics and aggressive styling. Its glossy finish and bold graphics contribute to a modern and fresh appearance that is likely to attract attention. 2. Performance. Powered by a smooth and efficient 125cc engine, the Pulsar NS125 offers a commendable balance of power and fuel efficiency. This makes it suitable for various riding scenarios, including city commuting and highway cruising, providing a comfortable and exhilarating ride experience. 3. Handling. The bike is praised for its excellent handling characteristics. Its nimble chassis and responsive brakes ensure a confident and enjoyable experience on the road, regardless of the rider's experience level. The bike's agility and control are highlighted as standout features. 4. Overall impression. The review concludes that the Bajaj Motorcycles Pulsar NS125 is a fantastic addition to the Pulsar lineup, offering stunning looks, impressive performance, and exceptional handling. It's recommended as a great choice for riders seeking a stylish and capable ride. The video ends with an invitation for viewers to subscribe to the channel for more exciting motorcycle reviews, indicating a positive impression of the Pulsar NS25.
Whenever you need my love, need my love. Whenever you need my love, need my love. Whenever you need my love, need my love. Whenever you need